under me. Hey, Damien, are we good to go straight to the marathon on 27? Yeah. Hey, Damien, I'm following you. Where are we going? Which way did you go up there? Down here? Oh, wherever you are. None. Same height as you.
I'm tracking 203.
That way. But don't tell Pat. Yeah, we're gonna moon him when we go back. Bobby, did you get to receive them?
What's everybody think so far?
Very good.
Pretty cool. I'll try not to change your mind too much when we land.
So quiet, peaceful.
Oh yeah.